Click on the link below to get price. The WeatherGuard 3073 Pack Rat Drawer Unit impresses with its blend of functionality, durability, and innovative design. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this drawer unit is built to withstand the rigors of everyday use while being lightweight enough for easy installation and mobility. The sleek, matte finish not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also provides resistance against scratches and corrosion, ensuring that it maintains its pristine appearance over time. One of the standout features of the Pack Rat Drawer unit is its impressive storage capacity. With a total of 3 drawers, this unit offers ample space for tools, equipment, and other essentials, making it ideal for tradespeople or anyone needing to keep their workspace organized. The drawers glide smoothly on ball-bearing slides, allowing for easy access to items even when the unit is fully loaded. The adjustable dividers within each drawer enable users to customize the layout according to their specific needs, which is a thoughtful addition that enhances usability. Security is another key aspect of the WeatherGuard Pack Rat. Each drawer is equipped with a secure locking mechanism, providing peace of mind that valuable tools and equipment are protected from theft. This feature is particularly important for professionals who frequently work on job sites. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the unit's well-designed mounting system. It easily fits into most truck beds or vans, maximizing space and ensuring that it does not compromise the vehicle's overall functionality. Additionally, the compact design allows for optimal use of space without sacrificing accessibility. Overall, the WeatherGuard 3073 Pack Rat Drawer Unit is a robust and practical solution for anyone looking to enhance their organization and efficiency. Its thoughtful design elements, coupled with excellent build quality, make it a worthwhile investment for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Whether in a work vehicle or a garage, this drawer unit truly delivers on its promise of durability and convenience.